do here what we did in ABS, Ryan and my team. Sa ABS, it took a while. You know, sa umpisa, hindi namin talaga alam kung anong ginagawa namin. So we were just winging it sa umpisa. People like si Love Almasan, we had huge crowds outside the walls of ABS. They're wanting to audition. And yung gate na, magigiba na eh. That's one of the lessons we learned. Have a stronger gate. And a stronger system. So, unti-unti, you gather knowledge. And like I said earlier, Mr. MVP and I, we have aged, but I think we were a little smarter. So maybe less mistakes now will happen.
All right, thank you, Mr. M. Can I ask Jeff? Sorry.
Go ahead, Tita.
Hi, Jeff. Sorry. How do you, now that Mr. M is in the house, I mean, how do you expect his mentoring style to blend into your MQAA Artist Agency, MQAA's
okay. Well, everybody knows Mr. M.
Yes.
And when we found out that just the idea, the thought that Mr. M will be joining us, it was such great news and such a delight, Mr. M, to actually.
Okay.
Of course. but you know, it's like a reunion of sorts. Also, I mean,
Yes.
we spent so many years together.
Kasama kami niyan.
Yes.
We've traveled the world with Mr. M for so many years.
Si Jeff kasi ang nagdadala sa amin sa abroad.
TFC.
When I was with TFC.
TFC.
So you know, it was such a great blessing to hear that Mr. M will be joining us, and I believe that Mr. M's you know, the very essence of Mr. M in star building, star making is something that would definitely not just bring us to a different level, but really to greater heights, to the highest level. Ika nga. So this is what we've been wanting to do, and I think we can do it with Mr. M.
All right. For both of you, will you?
Magkasama kami.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we work together as a team. Oh yeah, always. The process even began even way before we were talking. Si Abby. Wala. Yeah. We have our scouts going out and scouting.
So continuous.
Continuous yan eh. So talagang tuloy-tuloy. We have Abby, Alba, and the team for recruitment. And we do invite people to come. So we do go-sees, Mr. M and I take a look at them. And so there's that process in place already.
Sila Abby, si Alba, yan, pupunta sa mga mall. Sa
Scouting. Yes.
Tapos hinaharang nila yung mga
Thank you.
yung
Thank you.
talamang bit-bit na mga young people. So,
Baka may mga gusto mag-try, mag-artista, Mr. M, mag-apply na kay Abby. Okay, mamaya.
Alright, our next question will come from Kapatid Insider, Carl Jude.
Hello, Mr. M. Hello, I'm Carl Jude from Kapatid Insider. First of all, congratulations and welcome to TV5.
thank you.
For first question, ano po yung deciding factor sa desisyon yung lumipat sa TV5 through MQuest?
Yung nga katulad sinabi ko kanina, ang gaan ng katrabaho ko, mga katrabaho. That's a really huge factor. Like I said, ang hirap magtrabaho kapag maraming sungit sa ano. Diba? Tapos pati, tawa ng tawa yan eh, kaya
Tawanan lang ang buhay.
Oo. Sarap kasama yan.
Thank you, Mr. M. Okay, we have another question. Is that okay already? You have follow-up? Okay, sige, go ahead.
For the second question po, can we expect major changes in MQuest, particularly sa MQAA sa pagpasok niyo?
Konting fiddling around with the machine. Yeah. So yung mga natutunan namin sa ibang stasyon, over the years, yun sana ang gagawin dito. Like I said, less mistakes. Kasi knowledge na eh. So hopefully we can fiddle around with the machine and make it more competitive. Sabi ko, more in your face.
In your face. Okay na yun, Carl.
Okay na po. Thank you and welcome to TV5 ulit, Mr. M.
Thank you.
Si Carl Jr. And our next question will come from Glenn Sibonga ng Showbiz Bonga. Saan si Glenn?
Mr. M.
Ayun.
Jacqueline po ako. Mr. M, siyempre sa MQuest at saka sa Star Wars.
Ang laki na kumpiyansa ko dito eh. I believe that, as I said, less mistakes. I-apply namin yung natutunan namin. And with Jeff, so easy to work with. Brilliant things that to work with in the future for TV5 and yung pangalan na ng Quest Ventures? Parang hirap eh. Hirap sabihin. So, yun ang balak namin. To rebrand it, make it younger, less corporate. Sabi nga Star Wars. So, sana tuloy yung Star Wars. X, Star Wars. And yun ang ko. And then, says you work and work and work, you be a star.
Mr. M, kumbaga, itong nagkaroon ka na ba ng time na kausapin yung mga TV5 artists? Sino yung nakikitaan mo talaga ng malaking potential?
Ito yung mga yan na nandito. Yeah. I think potential is there. You believe it? Yeah. I'll tell you, it's the truth. You guys are here now because you're the guys. Gilipad yun kayo. Screen na yun. Anong costume mo? Paglipad mo. Very sweet. Riley, dito ka dapat eh. Diba? Si Riley, kasama ko sa kabila. Saan mo mas gusto?
On the spot?
Mr. M, sinundan kita sa lahat ng stasyon.
Wow! Oh, tama yun. Doon sa isang stasyon, sa GMA, tapos dito na yan, okay?
Okay, next question. We have the last question.
Yes, from Edwin Salian of Business Mirror.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. M. For joint ventures with popular streaming apps like Netflix or Prime Video.
Yeah, I think meron na ganun. Baka si Jeff makakasagot na official.
But currently, we do have our own streaming platforms. We have Signal Play, which is the companion app of our Signal Media business. So Signal Play is the entertainment app for the crew, and we also have Pilipinas Live, which is our sports app. So I think those are two streaming apps that we can actually capitalize on as far as creating stars and creating content for a new breed of stars that we discovered. Now, dealing with the other mainstream apps is something that we've done in the past, or we do still do. We've created content and then sold content in Prime Video. We're still in partnership with Netflix to sell their content. So I think that's an ongoing thing, and we'll just continue to do that.
We can expect more streaming exclusive streaming content.
Oh yeah. We've started with our microdramas. I think we're the biggest producer of microdramas or vertical dramas in the country today, and that is on our Signal Play platform. So we do that. We actually do drop one title every 2 weeks, and that's something that's not done anywhere else in the Philippines. So we are the biggest, and then it has served as the platform to discover, to train our new talents. I mean, most of these guys already have their own microdrama. Thank you.
Galing sumagot.
Ay, pro-drama.
Yeah.
Talagang last na
Last na raw.